Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Cryptiloo here. And today, Saturday, the 3rd of February, and we gonna go over the market, the analysis that I was promised you guys. I did it a little bit. If you look some of my live videos, you're gonna see it, what I did it before the earnings from Google, Microsoft, Meta, and also Apple and Amazon. So right now you see it, I kind of separated all those, and I did some homework right here before I started the video. This is a live, so sorry if I get some errors, but I think I'm gonna try to cover as most I can and kind of try to see if I'm gonna be able to explain what I'm looking at over here right now. Okay, this is education purpose. It's not a financial advice. Be aware that your money is your responsibility. So to make things quickly, let's take a look. Right now we are looking to the beginning of the week, which is Alphabet, Google. Google, like I was saying in my video, if you're looking at it for my live video, I kind of like almost hit it right on the dot, because I would say that Google normally trades around corrections around 8%. So actually it hit the 8% down in the earnings, but closed the week around some right up here, and still like 8.51%. For the earnings. Actually, let me see. No, sorry guys. Let's go down here because it went up 7.40% down for the week. So that's what the price on Google correct from 155 to 143.59. That was, I think, they got top and bottom. Let's take a look financials. I think they are okay, you know. Probably like some aspects on the earnings didn't come up too good, and make the investors a little nervous about it, or they tried just capitulation on that. If you remember right, this stock has a split 20-for-1. So this is $3,000 stock. Okay? Actually right now 2,900 stock before the split. So that is the price from Google at that point on the split. So pretty much retrading at levels. Okay? All right, so happening the way I kind of predicted, 8%. Finances of Google, I don't think it was that bad. Like I said, they hit top and bottom, not too much, but just 1% on the bottom. If this is the bottom, this is the top, 3% on the top. So I didn't play Google because they didn't have an option trades, anything that it was like even worth to do. The premium was so high, so it not working playing that. So moving forward, let's take a look. The second one on the same day was Microsoft. I think I made a video, not sure. Another one that I hit it right on the money, 4% correction for the earnings, but actually finished the day, actually finished the week only 1% correction from the top. Okay, so Microsoft got a good recovery. Let's take a look. Also, big top, just average bottom. So, kind of like, why not? You know. Also, I think probably with some capitulation, and as you can see, as I scroll down, it seems the numbers are good on Microsoft. So I really don't know why the correction, other than capitulation or just correction on the stock, like a regular correction. All right. So 4% also. Their option market, the options, the premium was like way out of the money. So I knew it is not gonna go move as much that I thought would have been moving. So I just let it go. Didn't play on Tuesday, so I didn't play nothing on Tuesday. Just wait for Thursday. Okay, on Thursday we're gonna go from the last two. I did it. Oh yeah, I did it. All right, let's go. I think it is Amazon. Amazon, also another right prediction. I predict Amazon would be somewhere around 7%, 7-8%, and actually close the week from the earnings at 8% profit. Bulls hit it pretty big here. On Amazon, I didn't understand because I had like March 1st, something like that, for 190. It kind of show now. Robinhood put this predictor for the price. Kind of show that it would be profit for $100, but actually when it opened, probably like we have a little bit of downside, and then actually the price didn't pay me that much. I just barely break even. I closed the position because I don't think Amazon is gonna go $190. Just play for the earnings if it's that happening. But I think probably like the IV wasn't that high probably, and also at the open, because the little downside at the open maybe crashed the IV. I saw a little bit. I tried to wait for, because I knew it is gonna go back up, because every other kind of stock was moving up, especially Meta. I'm gonna talk to Meta a little bit later, but I just wait, and when I go break even, just get out. Okay. So that was Amazon. Then the one that has a lot of heat on, and I knew it would be like crazy to play. I didn't play for before their earnings, but I opened position after the earnings. Okay. Because I was thinking like, if anything is gonna happen, it's gonna happen after the earnings. So I'll wait. IV crash and probably every single options. And as my indicator, if you guys watch this video live, I try to post later, but anyway, my indicator is very bearish on Apple from the top 198. Those big bars on the top, the red ones, meaning like a short position, probably went up when open. And I have the channel break. I didn't have this other confirmation over here. It should have shown me a little B on the downside. But for the earnings, Apple corrects another 4%, finishing 4%. I think finish. The closing was 185, so it closed over here on top. So the closing for the week was only 0.44% down, but open down here. I think open 179, 179.86. 179.86 is the open right here. Open the candle. Come on. Okay, 82. That's okay. That's good enough. The low was 179.25, and it went back. It closed at 185.85. Okay, this was Apple. Kind of like this could be like at the beginning of the week or maybe last week, from this top over here and open a short position, a put, buy a put, a sell call, whatever you want to sell it. 192, sell 192 call. It would have been nice. Or put also would have been nice over here. And 193, probably close in the morning at open at 179. So it would be like $1,400. So, but didn't do it. Just waiting for the earnings, see what the crash on IV, and try to take advantage on that for the next week, because Monday we're gonna have a high volatility. I'm gonna touch briefly because I just saw a video today from Fox, and this guy talking about the VIX, and I think I'm gonna take a look. Let's take a look on that, and then we go from there. Okay, last but not least, the big winner for the week, actually the big winner of the Mag 7 was Meta. I didn't pay attention on the premium, also on IV, for the contractor that I purchased, which it was for next week, the 9th. So I got the 445 call, $138. But I had to open short position because I thought this would correct from here, from this line that I draw over here. I'm going to show you guys when I zoom in. So I draw this line as a resistance from the first time that hit the 1 week. So kind of like hit at this price over here and then went down big time, correct, and then I was trading right over here for the week, you know, and then I was like thinking like, what this gonna happen? It's gonna happen another. It actually went through the line, so any technical would be like, okay, broken the resistance, this gonna go up. So I didn't read that way. I thought it would have, even past the line, would have corrected down, but forget about it. Bull market, and zoom, 19% price on Meta. Was a couple of things. First of all, a big time in the top at 10%, big time in the bottom also at 2%, and also they announced the first time dividends, so they're gonna pay dividends for 50 cents a share. So, and also was a buyback of the $56 billion, something like that. So buyback plus dividends, it was a big math for Big Bull. I didn't pay attention all that. I just saw the numbers in the morning, and a stupid 1 minute candle, and I see all this red over here. When actually they have this red, but it was around here in the morning. And I was like, oh my God, this gonna go down. I hit it down here at 453, and then zoom in, and I think I sold somewhere around here. The second 455 maybe. And but I should have waited, of course. I I didn't read it right, and sometimes when you don't know, you should have waited a little bit more. And as you can see, in a 5 minutes, I didn't have no red bars in 5 minutes. And if I wait for this, 452, and see this big column being print and go up to 480, I think this one right here, 485.70. Okay, so then after that, as you can see, started some sell positions and everything, but closed the day at average 19%. Bull market, big time. Congratulations all the bulls, if you include me. Even if I strangle my put at 350 went to zero, so lost $220 on that, or 240, something like that. But I cashed big time from 138 to 2120 on the call side. So it was over 1,000, almost 2,000% profit on that play. So it was pretty good. Very happy that happened. And thanks to God first, because it's not me. I kind of like paying attention now for this earnings. And let's see if a year today is a day chart. Year today is a day chart. Big gap up. So this to correct it down here is going to take a little bit of a while. I don't think it's 100% overbought, so I don't know if this is gonna be something. So this was the last earnings. It didn't do much for the earnings. It actually went down from 4 plus 3, 7%, but then went up. And then, but this is the one earning before this last one. So this one actually, it was just a little correction maybe. The big ones, what's the one? I think this one right here. This one got a gap up 13% on this earning, which was April 2023, 27 April, and then this one, it was only 1%. This one was 4%, but also have this one 23%, almost like the other one right there. And this was February 1st. So we probably seen some patterns over here, guys, at the beginning of the year. Especially, I don't know if this is gonna be a pattern, but maybe. Let's go back to 2022 to see. I don't think 2022 February. Yeah, I mean, either way, it's like, or either go up big or either go down big. And this is a big drop from this top to the bottom over here. 26% drop. Yeah, 2022 February. Normally Meta at this time, that's what we have. So during the year didn't have much. October, big drop, 5%, 24%, 30% drop. That's when they hit the bottom, and then they bounce back. Another big earnings over here, 23%. That's what I already told you guys. And now, and then 2 didn't do much. This one, 4%, 5%, and this earnings. And this one was October 2023 didn't do much, 4% down, correction, and then boom, big bar over here. So everything went good. 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes video live. Let's take a close look on VIX. Okay, VIX on a day chart. Right now it's side trade. I don't know what's gonna happen over here, but 1385 was the close, I think. Yeah. I think on VIX, let's take a look in the week. And then, well, the only thing I can tell you guys when here is in the bottom is because it's gonna go up somehow. Channel break and a buy position. I didn't have the little B buy position, but it's channel break. Very kind of like, I don't know, unless we start to see like a cup handle formation, and probably this, how much this, 30% the weekly on October, and probably next month. Let's go back on, oops, sorry. Okay, let's go back at February 2022, April 2023, January, and then February 21st, 13, the 6th. Okay. So on February the 6th, that week, and consecutively 21st minus 14, and then March 34%. So let's do the math. 12 minus 2, 10. 18, and then no, so plus 4, plus 38, plus 38, plus 40% by March. Okay, so if you go 40% from here, let's take a look. What the price will be. I'll delete this. %. That brings 40%. 1958. By March. Let's see if this is gonna happen. If this is a pattern, by March, VIX should go up to 2958 at least. That is 40% correction up. That probably corrected. Let's see, to August and April 22, September, October 22, November, February. Okay, this is the March. So there's 4.5 plus 2, 2.5, 5, Yeah. Probably gonna see a 6% correction from now toward the March. It would be the first cut from Fed, but it's not gonna have a cut. So that pretty much put in line with what Tommy Lee from CNBC contributors say we're gonna pick on this S&P, and then we're gonna have a 7% correction. So that pretty much like he was saying that we're gonna go down from here. Didn't print any bar for sell position. This is a little 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. We have indication for channel break. And stick it 3, 1, only 1 minute, 30 minutes, nothing, no indication. 5 minutes, we have some. This could be the what they call the engulfing candle on the downside of 1 hour. So if this happens, we probably gonna have the 7% correction, which brings, let's see the 7% from the bottom here. Sorry, I don't know why this sound is that bad. 2, 4, 5, 4. Oh, 7%, 6%. 46.57. It'll be 300 points by March, not the month. This month, we already got the first week out. First couple of days out actually. So next week is literally the first week. So let's see if that we start to see this correction on the SP 500 for a 6% correction by March. Okay, let's go to SPY. SPY here I don't, so let's do SPY. One hour. I think it's gonna be tough to beat this, but oh, come on. A lot of buy position. 5, 6. We'll bring the price at 463. Maybe a little bit more, but 5.9. 464 for March. If we corrected that much. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully help you guys. So I'm really tired. Try to do the best I can. But as I can see it, to correct this, it's gonna be tough for the bears to push all this block for buy positions over here, unless this has the limit for March at the beginning of the month, and then kind of like the sell just take over. The bears are gonna take over. Thanks for watching this video, 30 minutes, and see you next time.